I've lived in Owen Sound for about 35 years and so happy to call this my home and to be able to help people move to the area and enjoy what I've enjoyed my whole life here.
Honestly, it's just beautiful here. We found ourselves every weekend making the drive back to Owen Sound, at least. I'm not from here originally, but Ryan is. And we thought, if we're spending all our time here, why not move here?
Owen Sound is actually called the Scenic City of Ontario, and it couldn't be more true. This area is honestly a four-season playground. In the summertime, the beaches, Georgian Bay, Lake Huron, you could be out on a boat, you could be fishing, going for hikes, and then in the winter you could be downhill skiing.
I love the fact that we can go out and have a wonderful afternoon in the surrounding areas and still be home for supper.
Some of the best tourist places in Ontario, we actually have in our backyard.
It's not only just Owen Sound, like you could head 30 minutes the other way and you're in Saugeen Shores, like Sauble Beach, Southampton, Port Elgin, and then you're like, no, I want to go east, and you're in Meaford, you're in Thornbury, you're getting closer to ski country. Like there's just a lot of options.
This area is home to some of the best golf courses in all of Canada, award-winning courses overlooking Georgian Bay. When people think of wineries, they often think of Niagara-on-the-Lake. Not necessarily Grey County, but we have some spectacular wineries, breweries, and cideries here.
The other thing that it surprised us about when we moved up here was the amount of culture that we actually get to have here.
Owen Sound has events, so Festival of Lights and different things like that, and literally everyone goes. So you go down to the Festival of Lights and you get to run into the whole town. That's one thing I like about this community and this town is it's like we support each other.
It really does just have a small town vibe to it, and something that I've noticed from a lot of the clients that I've helped move up this way from maybe more of an urban center is the ability to get wherever you need to be within 5 or 10 minutes. And we're seeing a lot more people being able to work from home and not have that commute.
They did recently update a lot of the infrastructure and remote high-speed internet. It's made it a lot more flexible for people that are either downsizing, just want to live the lifestyle here.
We always talk about when I'm with those clients is the ability to sell so high in the city and get so much more for the dollar here. So, you know, from an investment standpoint and a lifestyle standpoint, it's a no-brainer.
There's a great lacrosse program here, great for hockey, so extracurriculars for kids and families, like the sky's the limit.
We also have OHL team, the Owen Sound Attack, that is a big draw for people on a Saturday night.
I think the way that Shauna helped us was the most is she had a good idea of what we were looking for, and because we had such a 2-hour drive to get here to look at homes, that she was very selective about picking out the homes that we looked at. Having her here and knowing the market and knowing what we wanted, we didn't have to make a whole lot of trips up here to see.
She's a passionate person and she's passionate about the area. She's also, you know, a go-getter, which you want when someone's listing your home. She's ambitious. You know, as soon as we reached out, she was back to us right away, listened to what we were after, and we felt like we were in really good hands with Shauna. She'll go the extra mile for you.
So if you have the ability to work from home, why wouldn't you want to do that here? Whether you're a young family that is just buying your first home, or whether you're somebody that's retiring or moving out of the city and just wanting a little bit slower pace of life, we actually have it all here.